This is a simple apparatus used to demonstrate the relative absorption capacity of non-woven wound dressings. It has been designed by Convatec to enable an assessment of how much wound exudate different wound dressings can absorb. The first example shows Melgisorb dressing from Mölnlycke Healthcare. A piece of absorbent paper is laid at the lower tier of the apparatus. A 55 mm diameter sample of the Melgisorb dressing is placed into a well on the upper tier. The well has a 5 mm diameter hole in the center, leading through to the lower tier. 7 milliliters of physiological saline containing dye is slowly added to the Melgisorb dressing sample. The dressing is observed to become saturated with this volume of physiological saline solution, and it has leaked through to the absorbent paper on the lower tier. Next, the experiment is repeated for Durafiber dressing from Smith & Nephew. We can see that this dressing is also observed to be saturated with the volume of physiological saline solution, which has leaked through to the absorbent paper on the lower tier. Finally, the experiment is repeated for Aquacel Extra dressing from Convatec. It is observed that this dressing has absorbed the volume of physiological saline solution and has not leaked through to the absorbent paper on the lower tier. This in vitro test shows that Aquacel Extra is observed to be more absorbent than the Melgisorb and Durafiber dressing samples. Greater absorbency means that the dressing is able to manage a larger amount of wound exudate, which can be translated into longer wear time and a more comfortable experience for the patient.